Hey there, YouTube. Today is Monday, the 13th of May, 2019. It's about 9:03, 9:04 in the morning. And got a quick little test here to do. Going to use 3 quadcopters right now. I'm using the GoPro Karma. It's right there in front of me, of course. That's what you're looking at me and the FJ on. And, of course, the mountains out there. What I'm going to do is just do a simple follow me. I'm going to get in the vehicle. I'm just going to drive it down the road a little bit and right back. And have this thing follow me. We'll do the Evo second. We'll do the Anafi last. So that's going to be the 3, of course. So Karma up first. Evo up second. Anafi will follow at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up a little bit. We'll back it up a hair. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this thing into follow.
Karma is too low to follow.
Karma is too low. Okay.
Tap play to start follow.
Okay, so let me do that. Let's see if it'll follow me. Oh, here we go.
3, 2, 1. Karma is following.
Okay, now it says Karma is following me. So we'll start from this point. And we'll see what it does. As you can see, I'm heading towards it. Okay, so it's going to stay in front of me. When I go around this curve, let me see if it'll turn and follow me. Okay, it seems to be staying to the side of me. Okay, well, this bar is doing a good job, and I'm over 20 miles an hour. Okay, so let's turn around. Well, anywhere. I guess the place don't much matter. I'll just do a quick turnaround here. Now, let's
Karma is too low to follow.
No, it's not. Set up follow.
Karma is facing you. Tap play to start follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right,
Karma
here we go.
is following.
It says it's following. I've got it behind me. Doing a really good job, I gotta say. I'm doing 25 miles an hour. 27. So 27 was about my top speed, and will be my top speed. Now when I turn this curve, let's see if it stays behind me. It's getting really close to me. Now it's off to the side now. Okay. But still overall, I'd say a really, really good job. Just go right here, and that'll end the Karma test. Let's go do the Evo test now. Okay, so now I've got the Anafi up in the air. It's a bit later. There was a guy here I was talking to. But let's go ahead. I want to change this to follow me. And let it get its GPS. Fly. Draw a rectangle around the vehicle. And yeah, we'll just leave it. Let's leave it on track for now. Let me get in the vehicle here. Let's give this a shot. Alrighty. Alright, let's roll a little bit. And it looks like the Anafi's following me. Looks like it's staying very close. Oh, and I do have it in sport mode actually, so speed shouldn't be its problem. I do want to lift it up a little bit though. Alright, let me get down the road here just a little bit. Gonna get going with a little bit of speed. That's 30. I think that's about as fast as I want to take it. Alright, well, boy, it's staying right with me. It's doing well, about 25 miles an hour now. So, yeah, right in here, you can see I've turned around. So let's go ahead and do that. Boy, it is right over top of me. Okay, there it sees me. Alright, so now I'm going to stop for a second. And I want to raise it up. I want to raise it up a little bit more actually. And now we'll do orbit. And let's do it to the right. It's doing a countdown. 1. Alright. Alright, so it shot up in front of me for some reason. I'll hit stop. Alright, let's go with this. I'll get a little bit of speed going. Alright, there we go. Alright, now before I pull up here, let me I can bring the Anafi down some. Just have it follow me in this away. Then as a last minute treat, while I'm sitting here, I will simply hit select. And we'll hit orbit, and I'll hit left. And I'll step out while it's orbiting me. And there it goes.